In this video, we will learn top 3 organic and natural fertilizer of plants. Eggshell fertilizer, banana peel fertilizer, liquid, dry, onion peel fertilizer. Eggshells contains a lot of magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. The dirt should be washed thoroughly with water. Then they should be dried in the sun. Eggshell organic fertilizer can be used for all kinds of plants. In this process, eggshell organic fertilizer can be absorbed easily and quickly by plants. Eggshell organic fertilizer have no adverse effects to plants. Eggshell organic fertilizer will make plants bloom longer. Banana peels have potassium, which is an essential nutrient. It promotes more flowers and fruit on plants. Putting them in a container and covering them with water. After 3 days, the fertilizer is completely ready for use. It is 100% free and very easy to create. Grind them in a blender. It is ready for use. Onion peel fertilizer is a natural and organic fertilizer made from onion peel. After 2 days, the fertilizer is completely ready for use. Eggshell organic fertilizer will make plants bloom longer.